go. Today again it's a beautiful Saturday morning and the time is again 5:45 a.m. Yes, so today we as in me and my brother Karthik. So we both are riding to Kolar, which is around 55 kilometers. We both have, rode all the way from Bangalore to Pune last year, exactly on 1st of March 2018 on a standard 350, and we did 930 kilometers, around 930 or 935 kilometers roughly in a single day. The service road. Okay, we are taking the outer ring road towards Kiapuram from Hebag. Right now I'm on the service road, so I'll eventually connect to the ring road little ahead. That is the ring road on to my left. Okay, so I'm heading towards Kiapuram. Yeah, we would, take a diversion just to avoid the mess at Kiapuram Bridge near Ramurthy Nagar flyover, and then eventually connect little ahead of the Kiapuram Bridge towards Hoskote. Google shows around 1 hour 10 minutes, so inclusive of the breaks. Chai break. We haven't had tea this morning, so we might stop for tea on the way. By the way, முன்னாடி அங்க எங்கன்னா இதுல போயிடலாம், சர்வீஸ் ரோட் முன்னாடி சர்வீஸ் ரோட். So stop for tea. It might take around 1.5 hours roughly.
While sipping onto garam chai early morning is always a blissful feeling. We rode down a few kilometers to get closer to our destination. From beautiful highways to barely any roads and sometimes no roads took us to Chota Ladakh. Guys, we finally reached this place called Chota Ladakh. Okay, so how was the ride?
Awesome.
It was a wonderful ride today morning. Pleasant. The weather is super good. Okay, very, very nice weather.
Oh my god.
Oh,
It's
somewhere.
awesome.
Oh my god.
Awesome.
Okay, it's time for you guys to see this. Check this out.
Such a wonderful.
So once you're here, you just need to go all the way around and get down there. So let's go. Let's get going. So this ride was not, a planned ride as such. We just happened to talk about it yesterday and here we are. Bro, we decided in like 15-20 minutes that we're going here. Bro, just watch your steps. Medua va. Holy shit.
Camera
வா 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 இந்த வா போலாம். இல்லை இதுக்கு வேற எதனா வழி இருக்கா பாப்போம். இது இல்லை பை இப்படி தான் போய் ஆகணும். Okay, and that is the only route to get to that place down there, and it looks very scary. Check this out. Bro, Medua.
You come this way. It is too safe.
Okay. இந்த பார்ட் மட்டும் தான் போய் அப்படி இருக்கு. இந்த போர்ஷன்.
This is how we have to get down.
Okay, it's a little adventurous. Not little. A lot adventurous.
Okay, bro.
You need to watch your steps because there is gravel here and you can easily slip. Okay.
Yeah.
Very slowly. Oh. You got to be really careful to get down. If you guys are, not too confident to get down there, it's better you stay there and, enjoy the view. Because safety is more important. And it is too exciting to, see water. You might be tempted to get inside, go for a swim and all that. But you guys need to keep in mind that this place is, wild. You don't know what is there inside. So it's better not to make such decisions of getting inside. Not only here, no matter anywhere you go. It's a very risky thing to do. Rather go out, dive into the swimming pool, do whatever you want. But not in places like this. Safety comes first. There is a small line between, adventure and stupidity. Both are very close. So be adventurous. Anything, we can go all the way around or just jump in from here. What do we do?
We'll take that.
Yeah, it's better. So being adventurous and being stupid, it's all in your hands.
So awesome.
Wonderful place. and there is nobody. This place is a very less explored place. Hardly anybody knows this place, but it's good for a morning ride, probably a breakfast ride. We got to the point where you can actually see the water there. The colors of the water here is actually the reflection of the sky. So it is turquoise blue, which kind of looks like the Pangong Lake in Leh Ladakh. Hence this place is called the Chota Ladakh. There you go. The water is super deep. You can actually see the crease or the outline of the rocks there, and here there is thick dark water. Okay, it's time to head back. Karthik bro is all ready to leave.
We'll catch you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.
छोटा लद्दाख में इसमें सही है, कोई टेंशन नहीं, आराम से गाड़ी है, बुलेट है। मैं इधर का शक्ल रिकॉर्ड हूँ।